beautiful moment, but we need to get this safe out of here. Maybe if we find some rope or something. Or we can do that. Hate to break up this beautiful moment, but we need to get this safe out.
Do you even give a shit? Do you even give a shit?
Because you're my friend, you idiot.
You said it yourself, you don't have any friends.
Don't you have a dream? Yeah, I know. It's for Zorro to not die in my bed.
I had the strangest dream that Nami left. She did. Do you even give a shit?
Hai guys.
Friend, you idiot.
Sorry lah saya tengok cerita tu. Okey, jom. Aku dah upload game. Tunda. Okey ni. Okey. Jom. Ni aku dah update ni. Sabar. Ni kan. Okey. Mana? Sini so buang. Buang chest dah tak boleh. Nak main. Minecraft boleh lah. Lepas tu buang game. Apa ni? Yang ni je lah. Sekejap. Dah cukup dah. Okay, tak. Dah boleh. Okay. Kalau kita tunggu, kita main game. Kita main game Syarina dulu. Kalau dah sampai, kita main. Okay. Okay. Siapa? Aku nak keluarkan sikit. Ni. Okay, dah. Lama ni. Sabar guys.